Poor cat, just trying, just waiting. It's the heartache, nothing but a heartache. Are you finished? There's no more food left for the cat. Oh, poor cat. So guys, it is almost time. It is almost 4 o'clock. Almost 9 o'clock. So I will be closing my store in a few minutes. Okay, I'll be closing my store in a few minutes. So while waiting, guys, if you like to talk, like Maurice and Dwayne Peak, yes, and so I can shout out your name. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you, and God bless you. God bless. Nothing but a heartache. I'm just replying for my post on Marketplace, guys. I'm trying to. What is, God, these people keep asking question, but they don't buy it. I'm just another woman in love and make a fool of myself. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my live stream. I feel so sleepy, but I will try to do, if I can do Zumba after I close the store. So I will come back to you guys.